Same spot, probably 5:45 now, May 9th, 2018. My fellow adventurer has agreed to answer a few questions. I asked him why he's still here, and he simply replied, because I'm a photographer. I then asked him if he's scared at all, and he said no, not really. Then I asked him, why is he still here? And he said he's waiting for something big to happen. Well, I think this is a something big that we're seeing. And probably the reason I'm still here is because I don't want to leave him alone. There's a drone up there. Okay. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Aloha.